Hello everybody, this is Lauren with the Pavement Ends Channel, and thanks for coming back after all this time. Right now we're heading into the mountains. I don't know where exactly we'll end up, but I think we might be covering some territory that I covered before. But this time I'm going to be covering it with a friend or two. So about a week or two ago, I decided to come down and see an old friend of mine. I just had a couple of days with him, but that's what started this whole thing. So I mentioned to a couple other old friends, some of them I haven't seen for quite a while, just said, hey, I'm going to go on a camping trip. So one of these friends, I haven't seen him for about, well, it's been more than 20 years since we talked. And I just put out on the Facebook page that I think I'm going to take a little road trip. Turns out he just bought a camper trailer to go with his Jeep and wants to try it out. So he said, yeah, I'll go with you. So met up with him. We're heading up Highway 3, Scott Mountain. You guys might remember this from probably, I think it was the very first video that I posted for Pavement Ends. And we're going to meet another unnamed friend from Idaho. You may have seen him skulking around in a couple of videos from last year. And we're gonna meet up with him in the town of Yreka, California. Not Eureka, but Yreka. It's a few miles north of Weed, in case you're keeping track of any of those kinds of things. So I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I hope to enjoy this. And thanks again for coming along. Guys, we're getting ready to head out. Just had our first campsite. Didn't do a lot of video last night. Took a little overhead shots, but that was about it. But mostly we just wanted to kind of catch up and be away from the cameras for a while. But don't worry, we'll be doing some more of this as we go along, and plenty of opportunities to get some more video for you guys. All right, we'll see you down the road. Just a reassurance for everybody. The Jeep is not broken down. Just a little radio technical issue. We got a log across the road, but I think it's just about the right size. I think I can cut it away with a little work. So let's bust that out and get it started. You make a good choker setter. Well, hey guys, so we're a couple of days into the trip, and my unnamed friend from Idaho and I are out here in the north of Klamath Falls, Oregon, out in the National Forest here. And it's just the two of us today because our other unnamed friend from Northern California had a little trouble with his Jeep trailer yesterday. Well, it's not really a Jeep trailer, off-road trailer. Some defective assembly caused him to have to drop out of the race. So he's stuck in Klamath Falls getting his trailer worked on, and then he's going to head home because he doesn't trust it for the trail until he gets all the problems resolved. So that's too bad, because we were looking forward to spending a few days and heading out for a while. Haven't seen the guy for years. It'd be fun to catch up with him, but such is not to be this trip, unfortunately. Just a quick synopsis of what happened. Apparently this trailer was assembled in such a way that I guess things weren't torqued properly, so it turned out that his wheel bearings were loose. They put some kind of spacers behind his wheels, and nothing was torqued correctly, so everything was coming loose. And not only that, the bolts behind the wheels holding the spacers on, there was something wrong with the heads, were too long or too thick, and they rub it against the back of the aluminum wheels. So yeah, just kind of bad news all the way around. So he's getting that worked on today. He said he's going to head home. So today, Idaho friend and I are going to just press on and spend a few days out here. So we're going to hit the road. So he's getting that worked on today. He said he's going to head home. So Tim and I are going to... Oops, I said your name. I said your real name. I'm sorry. So, does it matter I used your last name and your address as well?
It's in my Social Security app, at least the last 4.
Oh, okay. I can only apologize for whatever's going on back there in the background.